Hi everyone, in this vlog you will see that how me and my husband we actually got rid of his old work desk and assembled a brand new desk for him to work, which is more like a rising or a standing table. Watch the entire video to enjoy. Thanks. Hey guys, how are you? So today it's Sunday and me and Jagraj we have come to IKEA to buy Jagraj's new workspace desk for him to work because he has been working from home since pandemic started and he has this like a regular table, like a work table, but now he has been really tired of sitting on it on the chair all day and his back hurts. So now we thought of buying this standing table which is more adjustable so that if you're tired just standing throughout just sitting throughout the day, you can actually adjust it and you can stand, so everything just elevates your computer, your monitor screen and all that. So we are today at IKEA and we are in the Burlington store because we live in Peel region, which is in Mississauga, which falls under Peel region, and everything is pretty much under lockdown there, so none of the stores are open. You can just order things online and kind of pick it up from the store. So we came all the way to Burlington, which was a 40 minutes drive from my place. So let's see. Oh, finally, we are in the workspaces section. Amazing. Now we just have to look up for the standing table. I think it somehow looks like this, if I'm not wrong. Oh, he's already there. So that is what a standing table looks like. You have the legs, you have the slab, you can actually adjust it up and down depending. You can elevate the height just so that if you are tired enough of standing through or sitting throughout the day on the chair, you can bring it up. Everything on the slab obviously goes up. This is another one. You like it?
It's not functional.
So it is operational through these two buttons, and this is for $519. Is it just the slab or with the legs?
I think together. The legs itself is $420.
Wow.
The slab is for $90.
So the slab is $99 and the legs are $420. So that's like $519. Not bad though. I like white more than the brown, but I feel like in my house this is gonna go better with the furniture and everything. Let's see if there are any more options. I think this is another one. This is dual color, like brown legs and white slab. I hope we find something. We came all the way. It's functional? Okay, let me. Oh, nice. Ooh, that's sexy. Look at the technology. Wow. Wow. That's really good. So if you want to sit on the chair, you can actually bring it down. And if you want to elevate the height, you just press the button and it just goes up. pretty cool. So we have decided to buy this one. As I mentioned, it really goes well with the furniture too, and kind of table that we already have at home is a similar color, so this is gonna go well, and he likes it. I mean, because he has like 2 screens, a laptop, notebook, mouse, and you know whatnot, so it's just gonna look really good with that. And ultimately his problem, where he has been hurting his back for so long, hope this is gonna help him finally. So let me ask him, because I don't know, while I was recording, which table we are buying. He was with the customer service representative. So what is the thing that she gave to you?
Oh, so she said it is available, but the thing is, website में जो stock show हो रहा था was showing a low, so she was not sure कि उसके पास है या नहीं. So she called somebody and they have the last piece available.
Wow, I think we are the lucky ones who get always the last piece in Canada.
They have the last piece available, but वो इनके पास नहीं है. मतलब अराउंड द कॉर्नर एक और लोकेशन है इनकी, यहीं पर ही बर्लिंगटन में. मतलब कह रही है कि 2-3 मिनट्स भाई, वहाँ पर जाके आप अभी पे करेंगे नीचे जाके, and you can pick it up from there.
Wow. Okay, so that's not bad. If you didn't get to know what I was referring to, that when I mentioned that, you know, we always find the last pieces, I'll put a tag on my last video right on the top corner that we found the last iPhone 12 Pro when he was actually looking to buy it. It was the last piece available on Apple's website, and we were lucky enough to kind of book that for ourselves. Now, even for the table, as far as the table is concerned, it's not available at this IKEA store, but there is another one where we are gonna go now and pick it up from there. But we are going to pay for this in the store itself, right here. And this was apparently the last piece that those guys have. So yeah, lucky ones, I tell you. Let's not jinx it though. Apparently Jagraj has changed his mind and he's looking for something, you know, the tabletop is we're not gonna go for this tabletop, but the legs, you know, this under table legs, this is gonna be the same, so it's gonna be this color, but the tabletop is gonna be something different, which we are gonna find. I think it is downstairs where we are gonna look for it. So now a new thing has come up. I think I jinxed it. The tabletop, the last piece that was available was just sold in front of our eyes on the website. So he actually went to the to one of the guys there, and they said, yeah, it's being sold out, but you can check it at another store location which is very close to our place. So he's just gonna check it online because the store is technically closed under lockdown. So he's gonna check it online if we can find it and book it for us, and then we can go and pick it up from there. I don't know if it will actually be available today for delivery or for pickup or whatever the case might be. So he's just gonna find that out. So we're just gonna make payments of whatever stuff we bought from here. He bought a laptop, razor, and of course the cord manager. And we are still on line for the legs for the tabletop that we need to find out at the other location. Yep, and let's see. We are heading out to the car now, and then we are gonna go to the second location to buy the legs from there. And meanwhile, we'll get to know if we can place an order for the tabletop today from the other location. Hopefully we are, but yeah, let's see. So we have come to this IKEA second store for furniture pickup.
The receipt.
क्या चाहिए?
Receipt.
मेरे पास है. So he just went inside the pickup store to get the stuff, while I am sitting back in the car, relaxing, waiting for him to come back. Yeah. Finally, he's here. I hope they fit inside the car. Heavy? Finally, thank God. We were overthinking that this might not just get into the car. Awesome. Half part done, and half part is still left. The main thing is still left.
घर
Aman ke. So he spoke to the guys and they said it's a wait of 2 to 3 days. So it's Sunday today and I think we are gonna go for the pickup on Wednesday. And from the location that's very close to our place, because he's customizing the table with a different tabletop and different colored legs, because if it would have been the same, they had it available, the last piece, as I was mentioning before. But because we are customizing, I think the tabletop that he was just saying is quite heavy and durable, right?
Yeah,
it's lighter in color, like more like teak wood,
it's
kind
heavy, of course heavy, durable, just a bit expensive.
How much is it for?
It's $100 plus. So the one which comes with it was just $100. This one which I am looking to buy was $190. और थोड़ा heavy है, थोड़ा बड़ा है, of course.
And it's pretty too. Like, I was being skeptical whether the because they are quite contrasting in colors, whether they'll go together or not. But I saw one of the tables lying there. It wasn't the same, but the color combination looks really nice, and I think it's gonna go well with the furniture and the like with the wall paint and everything. It's gonna look really nice. And yep, so we're gonna wait for next 2 days or 3 days, whatever. We'll just we'll just stay in touch with them to kind of see if they have it ready, and we're gonna pick it up from there. So we hired this truck and Jagraj is sitting inside. He's looking for something, I believe, doing some formalities before we can actually take it off. It's like a U-Haul thing that's quite famous here, and you can actually rent it out for $19.95 plus additional kilometers. Yes, mission accomplished so far, half of it.
Finally, half of it.
So he actually took the keys out using there is like a code here. When you register yourself, you just have to book the car, and then there is no person like in here in the office or anywhere. You just put the code here and then you can take the keys out for the truck. So now, because we have the truck ready, so we are gonna head out to IKEA and finally pick the table. We were promised for Wednesday, but I think because it was ready, so it's Tuesday and we are pretty happy, so we are just gonna pick up the table now. Awesome! So that's how the truck looks like. It's so huge, it's so big. We actually got our TV also in one of the U-Hauls when we bought a 75-inch TV, because that was too big for our car to accommodate the size of the TV. So I am sitting in the truck and in the van, and Jagraj has went inside to see what the status is for the table, so that we can actually kind of get it fit in here, probably through a slider or something. And I'm just sitting and relaxing here. Yeah, it's too cold out there. Oh, I think he's here already. 1 second. Oh, so we finally have the table. I don't think it's that heavy because the Superman is able to pick it up by himself. So look at the space, how huge this is. Like the whole space in the van, pretty good.
Let's go.
So we are finally home, and now he's gonna be taking the table out, put it inside the house, and then we are gonna go back, return the van, get our own car. So finally we just returned the truck. We went home first, dropped everything off. Now we are here returning the truck, and my car is parked right there besides the U-Haul, another U-Haul truck. So we're just gonna go. We have ordered food, so just gonna go home, have food and enjoy. All right, so now the transformation actually begins from this old table to the new table, which you'll see in a while. So this is the current setup on his table, where he has these two screens, his laptop, the tumbler, keyboard, mouse, a notepad, his cell phone, and all the other mess on the little table, and where he has been working for like, I think, more than 8 or 9 months, I think, since pandemic started, and even earlier when he used to work from home. So I believe the table that we are gonna set up now is gonna be from here until, I believe, half part of it, which will still be fine for the length of the room. So we are quite excited, and yeah, looking forward to it. So he's just gonna start the transformation now from here to here. smooth.
It's heavy.
It is heavy. Do it, Superman, do it. Look at how much mess there is in the room. Ooh, that looks really good. हाँ ऐसे. Shabash! Ooh. Finally, the wait is over. Oh my god, I'm so much loving with this new table. Look at the color combination as I was mentioning, and this actually goes very much with my flooring. So this is the tabletop. Those are the legs, which is like darker in shade, so that's kind of contrasting. And he has put these fancy lights at the very corner of the table, so it just kind of, you know, illuminates from the background and it looks gorgeous. I was like, okay, that's being too much tacky, but I feel like it looks really good now. And here is the elevation button. Degrad, do you want to operate it? I just want to see it. We haven't tried it like once since we have set it up, so let's see.
Oh.
Ooh, that's nice. Oh, so that's the maximum height. So if he just wants to stand.
No, that's not maximum.
Oh, that's.
Okay, bus.
बहुत बढ़िया.
बढ़िया?
This is amazing, man. This is really good. Like, look at the technology and especially the blue lights. Oh my god, I'm falling in love with it. The moment he was putting it on, I'm like, okay, what the hell is that? I'm like, why are you making it so creepy? But now it looks so fancy. It looks so good. I think I'm in love with how the final output has come, and it looks so much organized. Yes, there is no mess of the wires. He has actually tucked everything right on, you know, just here below the tabletop, so everything looks so neat, so tidy. It looks very nice, and I think the final outcome is just brilliant, and it goes really well with the whole flooring, you know, wall and everything. I mean, it just looks fabulous. How happy are you?
Oh, I am excited
to work with the new workstation, new table?
The thing is, I feel like it's an achievement because ये tabletop बिल्कुल customize करा है इसमें तुरको देखा I had to drill it.
No, I think it took him an hour and a half precisely, or maybe like 5-10 minutes more than that. But he did a really good job, and especially because the screw and everything, because this tabletop was not with these legs. So he had to measure every inch, every centimeter before he could use the drilling machine, because he didn't want to create holes at the wrong place. If he would have done that, it would have wasted the whole money, wasted the whole table. So he did it really diligently and like kind of was very much into it. But good job! So it's pretty late right now. It's almost 11:15 at night, and this whole thing, like after we ate our dinner, he started around 8:15, and then it took him like, you know, around 2 hours, like an hour and a half or even more. And then setting up, cleaning up the whole mess, it took us like forever. Now I'm off to sleep. I'm just gonna go and lie down on my bed. I'm so tired. Although he did everything, but I'm just tired looking at him throughout the whole time. But I think I'm very happy with how everything has just come out. And I think somehow when I'm editing my videos, I'm just gonna be taking this little corner, this little space, and I'm just gonna push everything on one side. And I'm like, okay, just manage.
And there's one more thing. These lights are can be controlled by the application, so I can change
the light color.
Change the light depending upon the mood.
Yeah, if I am angry, I would just probably change it to red. If I am like in a cool mode, then blue is fine. And if I'm like in a peace mode, you know, Om Shanti Om, then I would probably just turn it to yellow or something, you know, white. But yes, thank you so much for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I know it was more kind of something that I wanted you all to see how, you know, we do things like on our own, because labor is too expensive in Canada and people usually do everything on their own, you know, getting the furniture, fixing it on their own, and people actually love doing it that ways. I mean, it's just something that people enjoy doing here, and I think he really does enjoy doing that.
Oh, I love it.
He loves it. Yeah, I know, he loves it. He loves doing it. So yes, if you all liked it, do shower your love and give it a thumbs up, as I said. Thanks, and we'll see each other soon. Bye.